Hello, now we are going to review a Pran product. We already reviewed Pran juices and drinks, soft drinks, and this one is potato cracker, and this one cost 5 rupees only. Okay, let's check and review this Pran potato cracker. This one is very crunchy. Actually, it's totally different from the regular potato crackers. Wheat flour is also used with the potato. We can't able to taste out the potato taste because of the spicy flavor sprinkled in it. This spicy flavor combo is very good. It's actually just like eating puffed flakes with a spicy flavor. My rating for this brand potato crackers is 8.2 out of 10.